Hello, everyone. Today is Happy Father's Day, rather, belated Happy Father's Day. So let me extend my greetings to all the fathers out there, but let us not also forget all the ladies or the women who are acting as both parents. Happy Father's Day to all. We move on to how to say Happy Father's Day in the language or the dialects that I know of. So let's start with Ilocano. Naimbag nga aldaw kadagiti tatang. Slower. Naimbag nga aldaw kadagiti tatang. Inkan kanae, mayat ay agaw din aama. Slower. Mayat ay agaw din aama. In ibaloy, madyat chen ako ni aama. Slower. Madyat chen ako ni aama. In Pangasinan, maliket ya agaw at saray aama. Slower. Maliket ya agaw at saray aama. And last, of course, in Tagalog or Filipino, maligayang araw para sa mga ama. Slower. Maligayang araw para sa mga ama. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Woot woot!